Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to update your address in OCBC Bank. First, open the OCBC digital app on your phone and make sure you are logged in using your username and password. Once you are logged in, tap on the menu or profile icon, then select Setting or My Profile. This section contains your personal information. After that, tap on Update Personal Details. This is where your can update address including street name, building or unit number, city, postal code, update everything and double check everything to make sure it's correct. In some case, the bank may ask you to proof of your new address like utility bill, bank statement, government letter, and make sure the document is clear and recent. Review your new address, then tap confirm. For security, you may need to enter a one-time password, OTP, or approve the change inside the app. After submitting, OCBC will process the update. You may receive a confirmation message through email, app message, or SMS. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.